What up trainers, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to open 5 double pack blisters, which means we have 1 Darkness Ablaze and 1 Rebel Clash pack each. These packs are pretty nice because you're almost getting 2 for 1. And now we are going to open all of them. But before we do that, please don't forget to leave a like on this video. Comment down below whatever you want, because all of you know I read every single one of your comments and reply to them. So feel free to do so. And also subscribe to this channel, turn on the little notification bell so you won't miss the future videos. Unfortunately, these blisters don't have any promo card or something like that. It's just these 2 packs and that's it. Which is okay, I'm taking it. I mean, we haven't finished the master set from Rebel Clash, so every single Rebel Clash is kindly taken, especially if it's almost free. Now we have opened all of them. That means we have 10 booster packs. Darkness Ablaze, Rebel Clash, Darkness Ablaze, Rebel Clash, Darkness Ablaze, Rebel Clash, Rebel Clash, Darkness Ablaze, Rebel Clash. Okay, 5 each. How we are going to open them one by one? I mean, I think I would actually like to open first Rebel Clash, to see what we are going to pull from the older set, the older brother. What do we need from Rebel Clash? I actually somehow forgot completely. Oh, Boss's Order, every single variation of this, because we have only pulled the normal holographic, meaning no full art or dual blade reverse, and scissor regular rare, meaning we didn't pull the full art version or the rainbow rare. A Marnie would be nice, even though we already pulled her, so maybe not. Let's see, 4 to the front. Oh, the Galarian Meowth secret rare would be amazing. That one is still missing. Milcery, Galarian Farfetch'd, Galarian Meowth, Caterpie, Galarian Corsola, a Reverse Grubbin, and a Bolton V. Nice! Nice pull. Double, but nice. I would rather pull a V card that I already have than not to pull anything, of course. Here we have it, the Bolton V. From 2 packs, it's not bad at all. Here's a code. And 4 to the front. Let's see. Sorry, I'm a little bit organizing here. Shuttle, Luxio, Galarian Mask, Surskit, Stuffle, Puffing, and Impidim, a Reverse Failings, and a Galarian Runerigus non-holographic, unfortunately. Now, second to last pack from Rebel Clash. Here's your code. We're going 4 from the back to the front. Starting off with the Water Energy, Medicham, Twin Energy, Feelings, Trubbish, Pidove, Helioptile, Voltorb, Sandygast, Reverse Shuckle, and a Zacian non-holographic. Okay, we only pulled a Bolton V to this point, but we have still 1 chance to pull something amazing from Rebel Clash. Heracross, Electrode, Beware, Hiddo. This set feels so old right now. I don't know, even though it's not even a month ago, but still. Dracloak Reverse and a Cramorant non-holographic. So we only pulled the Bolton V from the Rebel Clash packs. And I kind of expected it, that's why I started with the Rebel Clash and not with the Darkness Ablaze. And now, let's move on to the newest set from Sword and Shield. You got a code. Fighting Energy, Leiron, Parasect, Spikemat, Rowlet, Wishy-Washy, Qfent, Sinistea, Feebas, a Reverse Rare Mimikyu, and a Galarian Mr. Rime, non-holographic. First pack didn't have anything. I mean, the Mimikyu is a rare, but still, I have a ton of them. Yeah, 4 to the front. Starting off with the Metal Energy, Ursa Ring, Poltegeist, Combusken, Nickit, Shelmet, a Larvitar, Grimer, Galarian Darumaka, a Reverse Lunatone, and a Golisopod holographic. Nice. I think it's a new one for the binder. And I can remember this one from the Japanese set. The set was amazing actually. And there you could also pull the secret rare Rillaboom, which I really want to pull from this set also. Let's see, Psychic Energy, Shiinotic, Rose, Simipour, Larvesta, Morlul, Toxel, Skitty, Rowlet, Reverse Solrock, and a Galarian Mr. Rime non-holographic. I'm pulling this Galarian Mr. Rime like crazy. I mean, almost every video I'm pulling it, but I still don't have him as a holo card, which is kind of unfortunate. Here's the code. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go. Rose Tower, Simisear, Leiron, Qfent, Sinistea, Feebas, Passimian, Fletchling, a Reverse Dunsparce, and a Swanna non-holographic. Wow guys. Now we move into the last pack and hoping for the last pack magic, baby. Let's see. It's kind of giving me luck yelling this shit always. Let's see. Rare Fossil, Simisage, Simipour, Rowlet, Squirtle, Spinarak, Larvesta, Hippopotas, a Reverse Rare Aggro, and a shiny Rillaboom Secret Rare! Oh my god! Oh my god! What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Secret Rare Rillaboom! Nice! Yes! We did it, guys. We actually did it. I said it, screaming last pack magic, baby. Man. Wow, what a pull. What a pull, guys. Oh my god. So beautiful. Wow, talking about it. I just talked about it. I mean, we didn't pull it from the Japanese set, but man, this is even better. Wow. Number 197 from 189. Wow, what a pull, guys. Immediately sleeving it up. Beautiful. This is actually our first gold card pull from this set. Wow. Double pack blisters. I'm loving it. Now we're making a very awesome recap because of this Rillaboom Secret Rare that we pulled a minute ago. We have a Golisopod holographic and a Bolton V from Rebel Clash. Meine Güte. Oh my god. What a pull. Beautiful. Guys, don't forget to leave a like on this video, your support is really appreciated, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Just click the little button down below, and again, thanks so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye!